Hello boys and girls, nice to see you again. Well, today I'm going to read a story about someone who's very special. It's Grandad. Here's the book. It's called I Love My Grandad. It's written by Giles Andreae and the pictures are by Emma Dodd. You can see the little boy is giving Grandad a big hug because Granddads are very special people. Let's have a look inside. I love my Grandad. Well, here's Teddy. My Grandad is a special man. If I can't do it, Grandad can. Look, he's helping to build this aeroplane and he's following the instructions. He helps me with my toys and games. When I don't know things, he explains. He's just so clever and so wise. I'm sure he'd win the Grandad prize. And look, there's the prize, number 1. Some days we go adventuring, and you should hear the songs we sing. Looks like they're in a tent. He likes it when we're having fun. He says it keeps him feeling young. When it's time for running races, sometimes he pulls funny faces. He really isn't very fast. He tries, but always ends up last. Looks like it's a wheelbarrow race. I think my Grandad's live for years. That's why there's hair inside his ears. Can you see a little bit of hair there? We eat our homemade sandwiches. Cheese in my one, egg in his. And if it rains, we play inside. I make him seek so I can hide. You can see he's hiding here. I drink my juice. He drinks his tea and tells me how things used to be. Looks like a photo album of Grandad when he was young. We sometimes chat for hours, us two. He says he loves it. I do too. There's so much fun we have together. He really is the bestest ever. There we go, the end of the story. There's a heart on the back, and that's the front and back cover. And there's the front. A super story. I love my Grandad. I hope you love yours too. See you soon. Bye-bye.